Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Gemographic. I'm now in wonderful Schaffhausen. Take a look at these amazing Christmas lights. So this is actually the town where I'm from, and I'm very happy to guide you through this beautiful fairy tale town during Christmas season, as it's one of the most beautiful old towns here in northern Switzerland. I'm now on the Platz, so this is the center of the old city. And here we have this big Christmas tree. Yeah, I really love the decorations in here. So enchanting. Actually, Schaffhausen during this season is really beautiful. So now I'm going to take you to the lower part of the city. So that would be in this direction and then to the left. And now strap yourself in for the prettiest part. Wow, these lightings here in the Feldegasse. It's just so beautiful. Actually, this is the best part in Schaffhausen during Christmas to take photos. In here you can really snap some great memories. Well, I think these lightings, they're just perfect. I really think Schaffhausen has very beautiful Christmas decorations. Just look at the trees here. It's done with so much love. And yeah, I would say during December, Schaffhausen is a true fairy tale. It's almost 6 p.m. and I think Schaffhausen feels very peaceful around this time. This part here is so beautiful. Look at the houses, the fountain. Yeah, it's really beautiful. I'm now at the Unterstadt, which basically means the lower part of the city. Again, this section of Schaffhausen, it's very beautiful with the decorations. Wow! Actually, I've been away from Switzerland for almost 6 years. I stayed in Singapore. Of course, Christmas there is also big. The lightings are very beautiful. But I somehow forgot how beautiful Schaffhausen is during Christmas. It's fantastic. What is very common here is to display the scene of nativity. So that's basically the birth scene of Jesus Christ. You can see him here as a baby, and then Holy Mother Mary. It's very cute. Yeah, you'll see that in many different parts of Switzerland, whether they are Catholic or Protestant. And yeah, depending on the artist, it always looks a little bit different. We've reached the end of this video. I hope you've enjoyed watching it. If you did, please give this video a like, leave a comment, share it to your friends. It would be really awesome. Also, if you're new to this channel, then you're most welcome to subscribe to Gemographic. I really appreciate that. So that's it from my side. We're going to see each other very soon.